everybody, there's Chris and Chris collecting cards. I'm Chris.
And I'm Chris too.
And we're opening up 2 NASCAR boxes from 2019.
We got 2019 Donruss NASCAR and 2018 Prizm NASCAR. With it being the only sport, well, golf is back too, but NASCAR has been back for a little while. So my son's gotten into NASCAR a little bit.
Because I like the M car.
Yes, my son likes the M&M car. I know some of you probably hate Kyle Busch, and that's fine.
If you get an M&M card,
we'll do
if you get
Prizm
M card, I want to keep it. If there's another one popping up, you can keep. Is there any autographs in?
Yep, there's a potential for autographs.
Ooh! I hope there's a Kyle book. I hope there's NASCAR.
And Race Kings, Joey Logano leads things off. Corey LaJoie, I guess. Danica Patrick.
Car.
Bobby Labonte.
Great guy car.
Chris Buescher. I'm not too... I watch NASCAR every now and then. I'm not a huge fan.
NASCAR performing.
Growing up, my father used to take us to IndyCar races out in Nazareth, Pennsylvania, and also at the Meadowlands. He worked for a company that had a few cars sponsored. So it was always a good time. Used to meet the drivers. Christopher Bell, Jaws, Darrell Waltrip, right? And Eric Almirola. I think this box you can get either an autograph or a memorabilia card. Man, Panini packs always give me trouble.
So I think we're going to get an M car.
Terry Labonte, retro rated rookie.
I'm going to be making an M&M car collection.
Bobby Allison, driving the Miller High Life car back in the day. Jimmy Johnson, retro rated rookie. Rusty Wallace.
Comes up.
Can't tell.
You can tell?
No, I can't tell. I thought this pack felt thicker, but
There was 8 cards in these. This pack is thicker. I think there's a...
Race Kings, Darrell Waltrip. Got a few of him already. David Reagan. Danica Patrick. Trevor Bayne. And it looks like we have our hit. It's going to be a Team Penske, Ryan Blaney.
Oh, a sleeve.
Patch card.
A patch card.
And then there's your boy, Kyle Busch.
Oh, I like that card, so I want to keep that card because I like that card.
Okay. When it comes to NASCAR, I actually root for a team. I root for Team Penske. So I like the fact that Ryan Blaney... Whatever drivers drive for Team Penske, that's who I root for. So, Keselowski, Logano.
I think his card's coming up in that one.
Etc.
Or the last
Junior.
Or the last pack.
Carl Edwards, Optic. Jimmy Johnson, number the 99. Is that 66 or 56? Martin Truex Jr. And another one of those promo cards.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
All right. Oh, Jimmy Johnson on the back. Another Darrell Waltrip. Jimmy Johnson Race Kings. Kevin Harvick. Tyler Reddick. Father and son. Ryan Reed. Martin Truex Jr. again. And there's the Jimmy Johnson. I actually like that card. It's pretty cool.
Boom, boom.
Checkered flag. And we'll do the bonus pack.
The bonus pack?
Yes, the bonus pack.
Let's see what the bonus pack has.
That's what we're going to do. Ooh, Bubba Wallace. That's a pretty cool card. Denny Hamlin.
That's him.
And Ty Dillon. That's pretty cool.
Three
Nice looking cards there.
cool cards.
Alright, now do the 2018 Prizm. It's got like an Air Force camo pattern there. Okay. Bonus pack. And
It has the M&M code on it.
yes, it does.
And the M&M driver there, and
Yeah,
M&M,
it's Kyle Busch is his name, bud.
the M&M form, and the M&M form again. See?
I'll give you a few guesses why. There he is, Kyle Busch, stargazing. See? That's pretty cool.
Oh, I don't have
I'll give you a few
hat.
guesses as to why he likes
I
the M&M
like
car.
him. So I will.
Vortex, Danica Patrick. And we got Dale Jarrett, Fireworks. And Rusty Wallace.
Lots
Driving
of
the Miller
cars.
Lite car. Oh. Just kind of hoping for an autograph in that Donruss, but, you know, what can you do?
Luck is luck.
Smoke. What was that, Tony Stewart? Yeah. There's a Keselowski explosion when he drove the Miller Lite car. Eric Almirola. And Kevin Harvick. I think there is a chance for an autograph in here. I don't know what the odds are. I mean, it's a blaster box. Obviously, the odds are going to be few and far between.
Oh, we got a car.
Joey Logano, G-Force. Got some color behind it. Eric Jones. Carl Edwards, Illumination. And a Dale Earnhardt Jr. Those Prizm cards are nice. Alright, Harry Gant was on the back there. There's Kevin Harvick, Stargazing. Tony Stewart, Vortex. Jamie McMurray, Stars and Stripes. And there's the Harry Gant.
Okay. So, I really want the Bus as a card.
Well, we already pulled a couple of them.
Yeah, but
One in each box. That's pretty good.
I want to give all the cards. So I don't have any cards.
You can have the Donruss for sure. Jimmy Johnson, Kevin Harvick, Explosion.
If one,
There's a Chase Elliott Explosion, Prizm-y looking thing. Christopher Bell Rookie.
oh, yeah, rookie. Cool. Oh, last pack.
No, we still have the bonus pack.
Last pack of this blue pack with the M&M card on it. And then the bonus pack, okay? The last pack
And there's a
Wait.
Danica G-Force.
again.
Yeah. William Byron, Stargazing. Instant Impact Martin Truex Jr. Prizm.
Whoa.
And a Paul Menard.
Whoa.
Alright, bonus pack time.
Bonus pack time? Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Please
yeah.
get another NASCAR car and
I'm sure there will be a
another
NASCAR
Kyle
card
Busch.
here. camo parallels, yep. Texas Terry Prizm. Is it Labonte? Yeah, Terry Labonte. Martin Truex Jr. And Dale Earnhardt Jr. Prizm. Camo. Rounds it out. So pretty nice looking cards. Unfortunately, our only hit is I guess a jersey card of some sort. Feels rubbery, so doesn't tell you what it is though. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Hope you are staying safe, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.
Bye.